Deepak, which is a fleet tanker of the Indian Navy and belongs to the Western Naval Command. Across the world, navies have been associated as the flag bearer of their nation, building bridges of friendship across the seas and garnering goodwill by its sheer presence. Maldives has always been close to India. History is replete with instances wherein both nations have interacted in friendly atmosphere and withstood all challenges as and when they were thrown upon our two great nations. Our friendship has always stood the test of time, and I am sure that they will continue to do so in the years to come. Today, as we are all aware, in response to the severe water crisis being experienced by Maldives, India has responded with swiftness and has dispatched all available help. You are well aware that INS Sukanya was the first ship to be docked here, and in addition, Indian Air Force heavy lift aircrafts, that is IL-76 and C-17s, have brought the much needed water. Today, INS Deepak has traversed nearly 1,000 nautical miles from Mumbai and has brought more than 1,000 tons of fresh water to replenish the depleted stock out here. We assure you of our full support in whichever way feasible and for whatever time as desired by you till the situation is brought under control. With this as the background, I now hand over to His Excellency Mr. Rajiv Shahare to take the proceedings further. All yours, sir.
Thank you. May I have the
mic is it, sir?
Which one? This one?
Both, sir.
Okay.
All there. Yeah. Would be on. Yeah, it's on.
Thank you. Ambassador Ahmed Mohammed, Ambassador Hamid, Vice Chief of Defence Force, Captain Sokti, Commandant of the Coast Guard, our friends from the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. May I also add my voice in welcoming you on board this prestigious tanker of the Indian naval ship, Deepak. It is less than 24 hours when we all were here on board INS Sukanya participating in a similar event. This shows the intensity of our engagement, the sincerity of our engagement, and the manner in which Government of India has reacted to the call given by its leadership and people with regard to the severe crisis that it is facing. If you go back a little bit, just 3 days, it was third afternoon that the unfortunate fire broke out and decimated the panels that control the filtration process, the reverse osmosis process. And upon gauging the severity of the crisis, Foreign Minister, Her Excellency Ms. Dunya Mamoon, contacted Srimati Sushma Swaraj ji, our External Affairs Minister, and soon thereafter, His Excellency the Defence Minister, Mr. Nazim, contacted me. And thereafter, hectic activity ensued the third night in Delhi our defense headquarters, and thereafter at various places, including Mumbai, from where INS Deepak set sail, in Trivandrum, in Kochi, our various air bases. And it must be admired the way Honorable Prime Minister of India and our External Affairs Minister both reacted, saying that whatever Maldives needs must be provided post-haste. And it happened. Within the call given by the Honorable Foreign Minister here, our first sortie arrived at 1:35 p.m. within 12 hours of the call that was received in Delhi. And thereafter, 10 sorties have arrived so far, carrying more than 375 tons of water, bottled water, which arrived at the Malé airport. Sukanya, which was in the vicinity, not exactly in the vicinity, it was a few 100 kilometers off Colombo, came in to Malé here, berthed alongside yesterday, discharged around 40 odd tons of water, and presently it is parked, it is there at the anchorage producing water. Today also, it gave more than 35 to 40 tons of water. And now we have this prestigious, this large, very, very large ship, which is carrying more than 900 tons of water, which it shall be delivering during the course of the night. And more importantly, it has a very efficient facility of purifying water, producing water of around 200 tons per day, which it shall do until such time that the problem is addressed, the crisis is alleviated and dealt with in a proper manner. This shows and amply demonstrates India's commitment towards the people of Maldives, the leadership of Maldives, and strongly underscores that India shall always be available in the need of crisis, as has been demonstrated in the past as well. Whether it was tsunami or food shortage or whatever India can do, it has done. I had excellent interaction with Her Excellency the Foreign Minister, Ms. Dunia Mamoon. I am in constant touch with the Defense Minister, who also heads the task force set up for this purpose, and other ministers as well. The Honorable Vice President called me yesterday and expressed his profuse thanks, appreciation, asked me to convey this to the leadership and the people of India. The work that has been done by the Indian Air Force and our Indian Navy in addressing this severe crisis which the people of Malé and Maldives are facing.